Got my pot here, ready to make breakfast. Got my favorite podcast on. If you guys, any of you like podcasts, it's a great podcast, especially if you like poker. It's called Sessions. You can find it wherever you find your podcast. Let him know. Let DGAF know. Billy DGAF know that you heard it from here. Moonrocks the Trucker. It's a great podcast. So yeah, some breakfast while before I head on the road. Let me boil some water in this water heater, water boiler, which is easier.
Have some drinks and then go play, and you know you're sitting with a couple $1,000 and your net worth is negative, but your bankroll is a couple $1,000. The only way you can play well is to not be thinking about that. To play poker. And so I'm kind of
Wow, half a gallon of water gone already.
And so the one hand from 1-3 that mattered was I had Queen 5. Top section with his right hand, his left shoulder, and sitting. Well, that's Marcel, except his right hand is always wrapped around behind it. So I wouldn't hang out with him if he wasn't. But I'm going to see change to a worse position for me, so I can sit next to my buddy and cheers all night and celebrate what was Christmas, and now it's becoming the 26th, the morning of the 26th is becoming that. And we're gonna have a pint of shit, we're gonna have Coronas, and yeah. So the thing about the two side at the resorts on this night is the level of play is so much higher than a T5 California or Pacific Ocean. It's a bunch of road. It's guys that are trying hard and very desperate to stop. But that's kind of in some spots they do, but in many spots they don't. And that's just kind of any live pro. They all know what to do right now. None of them are that good post flop in my experience, because you can't really teach too many things post flop because there's too many variables to come up with common scenarios. So let me rephrase that. They're good at the common scenarios. They're not good at in general at thinking critically of starting from scratch in a hand. They go off memory. And so it's clear to me that I'm gonna have to battle here a little bit, where I was just kind of shipping it in like
Boiling the noodles here. Boiling the noodles right here. Got this stuff ready. Ready to go.
23 scoreboard check. After week 50,
Not bad.
when I was a poker pro, I would play 2,000, 2,500 easy, year in, year out. Well, you get old for podcasting or building a community. So this podcast used to be free. Every drop used to be free. It's just impossible. 2017, just kind of, waking up at rock bottom and $250,000 in debt.
A little bit more pepper. Delicious, delicious.